Hey, what's up traders? Before you get into this video, we're running a contest for everybody who likes, comments, and to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, give you free access to my training academy, or if you're already a member of the academy, then a free strategy session with me, 30-minute phone call, get ironed out whatever part of your trading game you need help with, and yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, and enjoy the video. Thanks for your support. Peace. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is January 30th. Man, this month's gone by super fast. It's Thursday. Market update video. New York session just finished. It's 4:10 Central Time, so we're going to be getting into the Asian session soon. And this is my market update. So thanks for watching. Before we get into it, click the subscribe button. Please like this video. Leave a comment below, and we're running a contest now too. We're gonna pick a winner at the end of the month and give some stuff away. It's gonna be cool. So that being said, let's get right into it. But if you're looking for a awesome community of traders, if you want to learn how to trade and be a part of something bigger than yourself and learn how to do this that I do every day, you just got to do it every day. And you need a mentor, and I would love to mentor you. So click the links below to get started. And with that being said, right now the coronavirus is what is definitely dominating the markets right now. It's really overshadowed Trump's impeachment trial that's going on, which could potentially come to some sort of climax tomorrow, Friday, and there's going to be a decision whether or not they're going to call witnesses to testify or not. And if that's the case, that could potentially be a market mover. But right now, containing this coronavirus is the big news for sure. So let's get right into the charts here. We have a signal in the VIP group and I shared a chart with the free group that I have. I have like a trial group for anybody that would like to test this out and see how I do things. But this is Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Here we are. This is our entry. I haven't put it in here yet. Let's see. I'm going to pause this real quick. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, so you can see we have this on here, and this is actually just a 5-minute chart. But the reason, I like this trade a lot for a quick kind of scalp trade here, because just fundamentally, the Australian dollar has been getting hammered due to this coronavirus outbreak. So one of my biggest game plans and philosophies that I really teach my students in my course is sell the rallies and buy the dips. If it could only be that simple, it sounds simple, but really it is. And here, this is exactly what I'm looking to do here. We got a big rally at the end of the day here, but right now, as far as the World Health Organization today declared that the coronavirus was a emergency. I don't know what the word, international emergency. Clearly it is. It's seems pretty scary. So like until this really gets contained, it's going to be hard for the market to ignore this one. And so, excuse me. In other words, it's not going away. So, if it's not going away, that means indecisiveness in the market's not going away, which also means for, potentially more downside in the S&P. However, we just got a massive rally today. And I bought down here. We got a nice little double bottom formation going on. That's for sure. So, man, God, it's so frustrating sometimes. So, but, where are we going here? If we just looking to sell this rally as well, I think that could potentially be a pretty good play. So, would it maybe be something like this? So anyways, this came on the back of Amazon releasing their reports. So their earnings reports just now. So looks pretty good. And this is, honestly looks like a pretty good shorting opportunity. I'm pretty deep right now on Australian dollar yen. But boy, that looks pretty juicy right there. So I'm definitely something I'm gonna be watching a lot more closely. So you know what? All right, so yeah, I'm going to be looking to short this. Hopefully, maybe we can get a retrace here to let's use our Fibonacci's, and boom, we have a nice target there. We're almost to the 61.8 if we were to go to this wick right here. But I'm going to take it to this low because this is where we're bouncing off of. So from this high to this low, and I'm going to put a sell limit, and the market's closed right now. I'm going to put a sell limit in right at 3,300 because just like I was saying with the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, the coronavirus does not look good. So, you know, and it's a virus, it spreads. The more it spreads, you know, unless, man, I hope it gets under control because just on like a personal human level, to me, nothing's more scarier than a pandemic breaking out or an epidemic. Oh God, you know, nuclear war, an asteroid hitting the Earth, that would be a disaster. So, but as far as the S&P 500, it's not going to, you know, China's economy going down because of pandemic is not going to go well for the stock market, and it's already on a downturn anyway. So, you know, we're already, unless we just blast through here and then go to all new all-time highs, which, hey, it's not out of the question at this point to be honest. So that being said, we did have some good trades hit our take profit targets right now. Today, another trade that I like a lot right now is the US dollar Swiss, because of the fact that, you know, we had this big false breakout here. So I like that false breakout. And dude, look at this breakout retest. This is a great trade right here. I'm actually going to send this out to the group. Okay, so that's dollar Swiss. I think it's a great setup. So now, just to continue on our journey of risk off assets, is dollar yen. So we caught some great trade. We've been actually shorting dollar yen all week, starting from this blue line here, and then we have another entry right here at 109.15, and we've knocked down multiple 40 pip target, 20 pip targets, and made good 40 pips today. And so here we are in this channel. I shared this chart on the weekly outlook videos and, you know, on Instagram. And so this is the downside target, this blue line right here. So just looking at this horizontal support, you know, and just like that dollar Swiss chart I shared, here's a false breakout. Here's a breakdown. And, you know, if this coronavirus continues, then, you know, I think the risk here, selling rallies on the dollar yen, is going to be an excellent play. So Euro yen had a bit of a comeback here and is trying to make a bounce right now, it looks like. Of course, it's only 4:30 in the Asian session. This is going to make for an excellent shorting opportunity here. I would love to see a retest of this trend line again. Maybe we fill the gap, but so far it hasn't happened yet. But I do think this is a great setup. You know, I'm just thinking more downside. You know, with these yen pairs right now, where can I find more downside? New Zealand, NZD/USD, same deal. Going for this 100 pip target down here. We've already knocked down multiple take profits. You can see where our entry is here, and we had just a breakout and a breakdown. So you know what, we've got more downside here. Just expect New Zealand dollar weakness, Aussie dollar weakness, because as long as this China deal's going on, you know, like Australia's right there, New Zealand's right there. They're huge, huge trade partners. What's happening in China affects the whole, you know, everything in its sphere of influence. So, you know, and they're starting to, I think, in the United States today. You know, you gotta be careful about what news you're following or reading concerning this virus out there, because you know, there's a lot of like scare tactic news going on. That's just the culture that we live in. But, you know, I read, I forget what source, but it was pretty credible that the first human to human contacted coronavirus was contracted here in the United States. So, man, this thing spreads. That's pretty scary. So, you know, as far as that goes with the markets, that's just more downside. Here we are in New Zealand yen. I'm looking for a rally here. I would love to see a rally to get back in on. But, you know, I think any rallies are going to be pretty limited. That's why I went with the Aussie. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Aussie yen here. So about this time, I missed my 3 p.m. coffee time. So that's what's going on. So you can see we have this nice little hammer candle, inverted hammer. And, you know, maybe we pop up and retest this trend line. The good thing about this is that if we do and then we break above, we know we're wrong and we can exit that trade. So tomorrow's Friday. I can't wait for this week to be over. Be careful out there, and click links below. And we'd love to have you in the group, and I will see you in the VIP chat room. All right, everybody. Peace.